regular old grain-fed supermarket beef. It's directly associated with red tides and other harmful algal and bacterial blooms because of the toxic rainwater runoff that comes from the associated industrial monocrop cornfields, along with routine flooding of corn feedlot urine and manure slurry lakes. Made possible by grain-fed beef, these nasty red tides have real and harmful impacts on the human habitat and our economy. And keep in mind, these disturbing facts about grain-fed beef are a godsend to the vegan kill cult, as they're rather successfully being used to help build a public opinion against eating animal foods altogether. Thanks, grain-fed beef. Meanwhile, regeneratively raised grass-fed and finished beef have nothing to do with this shameful water contamination, damage to the human environment, economic wounding, and enemy enabling. Regeneratively raised grass-fed and finished beef is literally above sustainable. It's regenerative. So now, with a straight face, tell me I'm just acting dogmatic, like a vegan, when I'm adamant that every single person should do their very best to stop patronizing grain-fed beef altogether, tame their personal economic priorities, and make an effort to buy regeneratively raised, grass-fed, and finished beef exclusively, so that we can finally bring this self-harming madness to an end. Thanks for watching.